Ready to level up your Jira game? Today, we're diving into the heart of Jira editing fields, crucial for efficient project management. Let's get started first. Find an issue ticket to work with. Navigate to the issue where you want to edit the fields. This could be through your project board, using the search bar, or from a list of issues. Once you're in the issue, you'll see various fields, like summary, assignee, status, and priority. They're the building blocks of your Jira tickets to edit a field. Most fields have an editable area or a pencil icon next to them. Simply click or select the field which you would like to change. For fields like assignee or priority, you might see a drop-down menu or a search field. Click to open it and select the appropriate value. For example, for the assignee field, search for a team member's name and select it. Make sure your settings are correct. For fields like summary or description, you'll often find a text box where you can directly add or modify text. Carefully update the information as needed. Be thorough and ensure it is correct with your team's standards. After updating your desired fields, you'll typically see a Save button to confirm your changes. Once saved, your new field data will be visible within the issue ticket. You can also add comments on the issue at the bottom of the page. After all field edits, with practice, editing Jira fields becomes second nature. By mastering these skills, you're well on your way to better project management. Hit that like button and subscribe for more Jira tips.